Today, let's discuss whether the heart can really determine our lifespan and if we can extend our lives by maintaining heart health. Aunt Jiang, a 65-year-old retired teacher, was enjoying her afternoon. After lunch, she comfortably sat on the sofa to watch her favorite TV show. She hadn't watched for long when she suddenly felt a severe chest pain. Aunt Jiang felt an intense pressure on her chest and found it increasingly difficult to breathe. Seeing her in such distress, her family was frantic and quickly called for an ambulance to take her to the nearby hospital. In the emergency room, doctors promptly administered first aid to Aunt Jiang. Fortunately, the timely medical intervention saved her life. Once her condition stabilized, the cardiologist conducted a detailed inquiry about her lifestyle and recent activities. The doctor discovered that despite being retired, Aunt Jiang maintained some unhealthy habits. She loved adding salt and oil to her food, making greasy foods her close companions. Moreover, she watched TV late into the night, never turning it off before midnight. Exercise was not on her agenda. She could sit on the sofa all day without moving an inch. This sedentary lifestyle put her body in a state of low activity. The doctor sternly pointed out that these bad habits were courting trouble and that heart disease could strike at any time. Faced with the doctor's questions and reprimands, Aunt Jiang felt very ashamed. She realized that neglecting her health had already cost her dearly. The doctor's words were like a wake-up call, making her understand the necessity of changing her lifestyle. This health scare became a major turning point in her life, making her realize the importance of health and deciding to take it seriously from now on. 1. The heart determines lifespan. There seems to be a close relationship between the size of the heart and lifespan. Indeed, there is a normal range for heart size. If the heart is too large, it may indicate a shorter lifespan. So, what is the normal size for the heart? Generally, the left ventricle diameter should be less than 50 millimeters. Structural changes in the heart, such as ischemic cardiomyopathy, can lead to an enlarged heart and cause conditions like hypertensive heart disease. 2. Advice for middle-aged and elderly. Don't be too frugal. Regularly eat these 5 foods for a younger heart. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants and are great for heart health. Studies have shown that anthocyanins and flavonoids in blueberries can inhibit inflammation, lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, and protect the heart from damage. Therefore, middle-aged and elderly people should eat a moderate amount of blueberries daily to enhance heart function and reduce the risk of heart disease. Fish. Fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are highly beneficial for heart health. Omega-3s can lower cholesterol levels in the blood, reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, and prevent thrombosis. Various studies suggest that regular consumption of fish can lower the risk of heart disease. Middle-aged and elderly people are advised to eat fish at least twice a week, such as salmon, cod, and sardines. Tomatoes. Tomatoes, known as the king of antioxidants, are rich in vitamins C, E, and carotenoids. They effectively counteract free radicals and protect heart health. Additionally, tomatoes contain lycopene, which lowers the risk of heart disease. Eating a tomato every day can make your heart healthier. Chicken. Chicken is a low-fat, high-protein food suitable for a heart-healthy diet. Compared to red meat, chicken has lower fat content and is less likely to raise cholesterol levels. Moreover, chicken is rich in B vitamins, which help maintain the normal function of the cardiovascular system. Jujubes, red dates. Jujubes can effectively reduce fatigue, resist aging, and improve blood circulation. They are rich in fiber, which helps lower blood lipids, blood pressure, and improve heart function. Jujubes also contain abundant iron, which supplements blood and improves circulation. The cyclic AMP in jujubes provides strong protection for the heart. 3. Doctors remind, the heart sends 3 warning signals when there's trouble. Don't notice too late. Dizziness. As people age, dizziness is common, partly due to poor rest and possibly due to heart disease. When the heart is damaged, heart failure can occur, leading to insufficient blood and oxygen supply to the brain, causing dizziness. Extreme fatigue. Persistent severe fatigue over days, weeks, or months indicates serious heart problems. Continuous fatigue is often due to heart disease rather than a simple virus. Heart palpitations. Palpitations are often linked to arrhythmias, such as premature beats or tachyarrhythmias. When these symptoms occur, an ECG is needed to confirm if heart disease is the cause. If symptoms are absent during the ECG, a Holter monitor may be recommended. 4. Maintaining heart health. Stick to these 4 practices for a healthier heart. Proper exercise. Maintaining heart health requires action, especially regular exercise to improve heart muscle function, enhance oxygen and blood flow, and keep the heart strong. Both insufficient exercise and excessive high-intensity exercise can harm the heart. Correct exercise techniques and appropriate intensity and duration can strengthen heart function. Stay hydrated. Drinking water in the morning reduces blood viscosity. Drinking water half an hour before bed dilutes blood and prevents thrombosis and strokes. Daily water intake should be 1,500 to 1,800 milliliters, preferably warm water and plant-based teas to cleanse blood vessels and protect cardiovascular health. Regular sleep patterns. A regular sleep schedule with sufficient rest is vital for heart health. The heart needs proper rest to function optimally. Chronic sleep deprivation and excessive fatigue can burden the heart, leading to severe health issues. Early to bed and early to rise is beneficial for the heart. Balanced diet. A heart-healthy diet avoids spicy and alcoholic foods. Overeating and unhealthy eating habits stress the heart. Moderation and appropriate food choices are essential for heart health. Providing balanced nutrition helps maintain heart function. 5. Heart rate and longevity. Research on people aged 35 to 84 over 26 years shows a U-shaped curve between heart rate and lifespan. A normal resting heart rate is 60 to 100 beats per minute. Both lower than 60 and higher than 100 beats per minute increase mortality. A heart rate within this range, but on the lower end, correlates with longer life. Keeping a low heart rate involves avoiding overeating, maintaining a healthy weight, avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol, and regular moderate exercise. 6. Heart and mind connection. Mental health is closely linked to heart health. A positive attitude, good social relationships, and proper rest reduce stress and protect the heart. Those with heart disease or high risk factors like hypertension, high cholesterol, and diabetes should follow medical advice, take prescribed medications, and have regular checkups. Heart disease has been a leading cause of death for the past 20 years, threatening many lives. It's crucial to adopt heart-healthy habits, prevent heart disease, and extend life expectancy. Keeping a positive mindset and managing emotions reduce heart stress and the risk of heart disease. In summary, heart health is vital for longevity. Through healthy living, proper diet, regular exercise, weight control, quitting smoking, managing stress, and regular checkups, we can reduce heart disease risk, improve heart health, and extend our lifespan. Let's take care of our hearts to live healthier and longer lives. That's all for today's sharing. Remember, you're never alone in this journey.